You worked so hard. You watched videos, you learned new words. Still, why are you failing English? The truth is, English is not real problem. The real problem is something else. Today I will share you that. Let me tell you a story. A boy wanted to speak English fluently, but he watched many videos, he learned new things, he learned new words, but still he could not speak. That's why English is not problem because of his habit. Habit is everything, so change your habit. Today I will share this few simple things that helped me become fluent in English. Stay with me, I will become fluent in English. Before this, I was not confident. I could not speak English properly. I was translated in my mind. I felt nervous. One day I decided I will practice every day and I will improve. A girl wanted to speak English, but she was afraid. She thought, what happened if I make mistakes? Slowly she improved. Lesson of this story is start speaking, stop fear. Stop translating in your mind. Start thinking. When I stopped translating in my mind and then I started thinking in English, then everything will change and I can speak English. A boy wanted to speak English, but he translated always. Then he started thinking in English. After some days, speak English fluently. Say with me. I think in English. I'm improving in English. I'm improving as I become fluent in English. Then I started using social media. I watched videos. I listened daily and improving daily. I watched short videos, reels. From that, I learned many new words and sentences, structures, and built confidence. Boy started watching videos, reels, and he started listening and repeated again and again. After few days only, he improved a lot. So share with me. I watch videos. I watched videos daily. I practiced daily. I learned many new words, sentences. Can speak. Then I started reading books. Simple books, not tough ones. Started learning new vocabulary and I started noticing the frame of sentence structure. A girl started reading book daily, just one page. After few days, she improved. What you learned from this story? Consistency matters than time. Start small, but start from today only. Consistency is the key to success. I started learning English daily for just 5 to 10 minutes, but daily, and this changed everything. A girl started practice English every day in front of mirror every day. Then she become fluent in that language. I can speak English. I practice daily in front of mirror. I I did not afraid of mistakes. Mistake is the part of learning journey. So practice every day. A girl started practice every day in front of mirror and he gradually improved. What you have learned? Practice every day, even for 5 minutes. How I improved my English using social media and books. If you are learning English, this video will help you a lot because I did not go to any big institute to learn English. I simply used simple things. Mobile, and books. Before, I was not confident. I could not speak English. I'm afraid of speaking. When I saw others speaking, I felt nervous. Have you ever felt like this? I decided I will speak English. Then I started using social media. I watched videos, I watched English reels, I learned new words, I learned small sentences, simple conversations. There was a girl, she started watching videos daily. She watched just 10 minutes. After some days, she started understanding. She just watched only for 10 minutes, but she started repeating every sentences again and again. And after some days, she started understanding. Message of this story is consistency is more important than time. Say again with me. I am learning English. I am watching videos. I am improving. I am confident. Short videos helped me a lot because short videos are short, easy, and quick learning. I learned new words, small sentences. Then I started reading books. Simple books, not tough. I started learning new words, new sentences. First, it was hard, but after some days, it becomes easy. There was a boy. He started reading one page daily, just one page. After some days, he improved a lot. Small steps is equals to big result. Say after me, I am reading book. I am learning new words. I am improving. I learned sentence structure, combination of social media and books. By using social media, you can listen and speak. And by using books, you learn new vocabulary and you learn sentence structure and build confidence. There was a student who used both social media plus books, started listening and speaking from social media, new words and sentence structure from books. Using both, he able to speak English faster than others. Smart learning important. Say after me. I watch videos, I'm reading books, I'm learning English, I'm improving, I am confident. I'm confident. Now I can speak English. I am practice daily. There was a boy who is afraid of English. Now he started practice daily and he became confident. So practice makes man perfect. You also practice daily. There was a girl who afraid of speaking and he just started practice daily. So consistency is the key to success and now he is speaking confidently. Repeat after me. I'm confident. I'm speaking. I can speak English. I'm speaking every day. In the comment section, I'm learning English and I'm confident. Hope you like this videos. If you like these videos, like, share and subscribe for more videos. I will see you in the next video. If you have any suggestion, any ideas related to this topic, or if you want to see any other things in this videos, so let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next videos.